Finally, the Canva Uploads folder got a glow up. Now your Canva Uploads folder won't be a hot mess because Canva has added the ability to organize our Canva uploads. This video is another quick Canva win, sharing how the new folders work in your Canva uploads, and I'll show you how to set them up and use them. Now you can be more organized in Canva and keep track of your visuals. I'm Donna Moritz, Aussie Canva verified expert and super creator designer of templates for Canva's library. I help organizations of designers and non-designers create on-brand, high-impact visual content at scale. Let's start with how to add folders to Canva's uploads from your projects. Go to the home page in Canva, click Projects, and then you want to go to Folders. Now, if you follow me, you'll know I recommend saving all of your content here to a dozen or so core folders and subfolders to organize everything. And until now, saving uploads to one of these folders was a workaround. Click into your Uploads folder. Mine is a hot mess. Speaking images, presentations, client projects, and that's just the last week. Let's clean up this hot mess and go to the top right corner of the Canva editor and hit Add New. Then you're going to add a new folder and name it whatever you want to name it. So I'm going to name this Speaking Photos or Videos because I have a few of these to sort. And then you can keep adding new folders. So in this case, I'm going to add one called Client Images and Videos because I have a lot of those for projects that I'm working on. Now that I have some folders in place, I can start selecting this hot mess of images and put them into folders. So I'm going to select all of these speaking images and transfer them into my new speaking folder. Save your images and videos directly into folders and subfolders right in your uploads. Let's take a look at this from another angle when you're working within a design. Here's a project I've been working on for Varsity Graphics. They create signs and garden flags and banners for schools to sell as fundraisers. It's a really cool company. So after helping design templates for my client, I ended up with a lot of graphics in my uploads. And because I might need them again for later work with this client, I want to save some of them for later use. So I'm going to go to Folders, and then I'm going to create a subfolder to keep some of this content. And then I might go and create another subfolder for the different types of content that I'm going to save. So use this the same way you would with other folders. Use folders and subfolders that make sense to you so you can find the content later when you need it. And of course, if there's something you don't need, then you can easily delete it as you clean up your uploads folder. Now all I need to do is go to my images in my uploads folder and start placing those images into the folders I've just created, or I can delete anything in my uploads that I don't need anymore. This works the same for videos. You can see here now, if I go back in and check the folder, all of those images should be in place under a new folder called Digital Ads. And I can keep repeating this process until I take my uploads folder from a hot mess to an organized system that lets me find content easily. Canva folders are free to all users, but you are able to save more elements in folders on a pro plan. And you can do so much more in terms of adding your brand kit, accessing Canva's full suite of elements, templates, and features. Take Canva Pro for a spin on my free trial as a Canva verified expert, and let me know what you think about Canva's new feature that allows us to organize our uploads folder. I know I am loving this feature, and I hope you do too. It's been a long time coming. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me to create more video content for you on this channel. And don't forget to check out the next quick Canva win in this playlist. Get creative.